Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. This is going to be a pretty quick video and I wanted to post this today because, well, this is a package from a person who I aspired or took inspiration from a long time ago. That guy is Mr. Destin, also known as the SDX, and he used to be a fire alarm collector and a fire alarm enthusiast just like I am right now. He is currently selling most of his collection because he has moved on, or I don't know if he's actually fully moved on, but you know, he doesn't really have use for his collection. He's moving on full-time into music, which in my opinion, actually, he makes really decent music and I actually like it. So that's cahoots to him. Other than that, we'll go ahead and get started with this unboxing. So, yeah, if you happen to be watching this video, thank you very much for sending these devices, and know that these are now in safe hands. Or, I guess in safe... I don't want to say safe hands, because I feel like that's going to imply that people are going to destroy these devices and not take care of them. But anyways, even though it did come late, which was... I'm assuming it's just because USPS is overloaded with a bunch of packages right now. It came over on time, and I am very happy. So, let's go ahead and unbox this. And go. Packaged this very well. So there are two devices that I got from him, and we'll see what it looks like. Alright. If I can open these. Alright, and it looks like it is packaged in nice bubble wrap. And alrighty. That's a lot of bubble wrap. Okay, so it looks like our first device over here is our system sensor i3. This is a 4-wire i3, so I will be putting this up with my Chez Douvre project that I'm going to be working on. Looks like to be a very nice i3. Go ahead and lock that up. Oh, if I can. Looks like the spring here is not... It looks like it's gotten taken down and put back up quite a few times. This over here is... yeah. It looks like it's not holding very well, but I mean... You're never gonna have to put these on and off every single time. So we have our nice i3. It's a model number 4WB, so similar to the one that I have up in my house. So yay, I have a 4-wire i3 so that I can use for my Chez Douvre project. And then finally we have this nice wheel lock RSS. So it's a nice RSS multi-candela. It's a 2-wire device. So wheel lock 1504, RSS 25 MCW. So beep, there you go. And it is a multi-candela selection, so you can select your candela options right over with this little sliding switch, and if this will work. So yeah, those are some very nice devices. It's a xenon strobe, and this will also sync up with all of the wheel lock products that are able to accept the wheel lock sync protocol. So that'll be very nice. It also looks like there has been some very nice wear and tear on this screw, so I'm very glad that he's been able to use his product and has been able to pass it down to me. Unfortunately, a few of other enthusiasts have decided to ask him to sign the products, but I was just like, I feel like it would not be, yeah. I was too embarrassed to do it, and I'm a little bit sad, but you know, these are nice products that are being passed down from a very nice fire alarm enthusiast, or former fire alarm enthusiast, I should say. Zoom down a little bit. So as I was mentioning before, these are some nice products that have been passed down from a former fire alarm enthusiast, and I am very happy to have these in my collection now. So there you guys have it. That is your video for today. See if I can make it stand up. Oh, I see what this is for. Okay, I was wondering why there were pigtail wires that were hanging off here and making it kind of go up, but now I realize because this is actually wired to the strobe itself, so that way you can get power to it. That being said, thank you all for watching, and thank you especially again to Destin for sending this to me, and yeah, thank you very much. And I will see you all later. And I can't wait to show these off again sometime very soon. Be anticipating the Chez Douvre project to be released on Christmas Day. Alright, that being said, see you all later. Bye-bye.